What to consider when you're looking for a great investment. I love the phrase that goes something like this: buy the ugliest house in a good or upcoming neighborhood. But how do you know it's a good investment property? Yes, location absolutely does matter. Look for properties that are close to schools, transit, amenities, parks, and so forth. Next, run your numbers. You got to know what that looks like. What is your initial investment? How much money are you putting into the property? What is the mortgage going to look like? What are your expected renovation costs? And what are the rents in the area? Leave your emotions out of it. Focus on the numbers. A lot of them might not even make sense or work out, but some will. Just keep going. Know your risks and do your due diligence and make a decision based on the risk, not the lack of risk. And prepare financially. Remember, it is a long game, so you have to be patient and financially prepared for emergencies. Some emergencies might be that it's vacant for a period of time, or it needs a new roof, or it will need new appliances. And traditionally, rents have always gone up, and paying down your mortgage, it will go down. Do keep in mind that the rents may not cover absolutely all your expenses for the home. So we are hoping, and of course, if we look back in history, real estate has gone up in value. I hope this helps and motivates you to grow your real estate portfolio.